This is the Vevor 1.1 gallon 750 watt water distiller. We have been using this distiller for a few weeks now to distill alcohol for cleaning resin 3D prints, and today we're going to be looking at what makes this unit ideal and how it can save you money when resin printing. Welcome back to Space Age Tech, where we look at the tech that pushes the limits. Let's start by unboxing the unit. This unit is packaged well with good protection all the way around it. You can see the pieces are nested inside each other, allowing for very efficient shipping. This unit does require minor assembly, which takes only a few minutes. Now, let's take a look at what this unit comes with. There's a simple instructional booklet that is easy to understand. We have a jar of descaler to remove water scale. It comes with a borosilicate glass carafe with a silicone bumper, which is much better than the plastic carafes that other units come with. It comes with carbon packages to improve filtration, and the distiller itself is made up of 304 stainless steel on all surfaces that would come into contact with your liquid. Let's start by pouring some very contaminated 91% isopropyl alcohol into the distiller. This alcohol has been used for a few hundred print washes over several weeks, so it's extremely contaminated. We'll set the machine to Fahrenheit for temperature and get started at 181 degrees. Throughout the operation, we actually had a better distillation rate at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so you might want to start there with this unit. Remember that we only want to distill the alcohol and not the water, so you will have to keep the temperature far below the boiling point of water. While we distill this for the next 4 hours or so in this time lapse, let's review some of the specifications for this unit. The Vevor 4-liter water distiller is a device that can produce pure water by boiling tap water and condensing the steam into a clean container. It has a dual temperature display that shows you the current and preset temperatures, and a timing function that allows you to set the distilling time anywhere from 0 to 99 hours. It also has a safety feature that automatically shuts off the power when the temperature exceeds 160 degrees Celsius. The settings temperature ranges from 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius to 226.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 108 degrees Celsius. The Vevor 4-liter water distiller has some advantages over other distillers. It uses 750 watts, so it can quickly distill liquids. It also has a 4-blade aluminum fan as well as a SUS 304 condensing coil that is durable enough to ensure rapid heat dissipation and extended service life. It has a large capacity of 4 liters or 1.1 gallons, and it can produce about 6 gallons of distilled water per day. It has a die-cast aluminum heating plate that is durable and efficient, and a stainless steel inner tank that is easy to clean and corrosion resistant. It also comes with a glass container that is more hygienic and eco-friendly than the plastic ones. All the parts that come into contact with water adopt food-grade 304 stainless steel, including the internal tank, inner cap, and water outlet. One of the things we love about this machine is how easy it is to use. The machine has a simple and user-friendly design that makes it easy to operate. Since everything that touches the liquid is stainless steel, it's very easy to clean up after use. Very few distillers will show you the current and set temperature at the same time, and fewer still allow you to choose Fahrenheit over Celsius or have a timer beyond a few hours. There are many different Vevor water distillers to choose from, but I believe this is the most feature-rich unit they offer. So you're probably asking yourself, do I really need to distill my alcohol instead of just replacing it when it gets contaminated? We can tell you this machine will last a very long time, and for the most users, it will pay for itself pretty quickly. Not to mention the convenience of not having to go out and buy isopropyl alcohol so frequently, and the danger of storing extra. We all remember how hard it was to find isopropyl alcohol a few years ago when people started trying to make their own hand sanitizer. If you run a print farm or print in resin often, you may already have a distiller for your alcohol, but if you don't, we highly suggest you consider this unit. As you can see from the thick syrup-like residue left behind, this unit did an excellent job of distilling only the alcohol and leaving the resin-contaminated water behind for disposal. Overall, the Vevor 4-liter water distiller is an excellent, affordable, and safe choice for people who want to distill alcohol or essential oils. If you specifically want a distiller for resin printer, we think this unit is an ideal choice. It has taken the place of 3 other units we have been using over the years and is our new favorite. We will have more reviews coming soon on other interesting tech. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.